Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can reset your ring base station. So first thing first, from the back you're going to find a reset button. Do you see that? So locate the reset button. It's going to be near the cables here. When you get the reset button, you want to insert a tool into the reset button hole and hold it for like a second or two. Paper clip, pen, just not something sharp, okay? And press and hold for 1 second or two and release the button to initiate the reset process. Turn the base station back on and reconnect it to your devices. Now, when I also looked here, this is important, I looked on some forum here. So try giving a reboot by quickly pressing and releasing the reset button at the back of the device with a paperclip or similar tool. And this is important. Do not press and hold the reset button down longer than 1 second to avoid factory resetting the device. So if you're gonna hold it for more seconds, let's say 5, 7, 8 seconds, then you should like reset it to factory settings. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.